Junkyard. What is this? Is this a GSR? Nah, it's automatic BTB one. Has a body kit. I mean, on the front end. Pretty sure the skirts are worth some money. Automatic as well. We're trying to find some camber kits or anything that's worth some money. Mira, buen Lexus, como el tuyo. Ooh, look what I see right here. Another body kit.
So is this coilover? Or the stock?
I believe those are just lowering springs, bro. Has a roll cage. Dude, this thing has a roll cage. Look at this. That's crazy. Was it automatic or stick shift? This is crazy. B18 B1 was probably stick shift. That's a nice lip. ¿No hay nada más interesante dentro?
Son especificarle la llanta.
This is crazy, honestly. Has a roll cage and everything. Pero nomás la de atrás. La de frente sí la tiene todavía. Sí. Nah. This road looks empty. Those guys are taking a wing over there. That's their hammer in the wing. That's crazy. Those guys are crazy. I don't know where they're taking that, but okay. Celica. I like them seats though. There's Nikki over there. We're gonna go through it right now. ¿Es un Scion, no? No, right there. Está ahí el negro. I'm trying to get to the EK. This one has visor right there. Another EK over there. Automatic. Stick shift. If I can find an EM1 cluster, I'm taking it. Nah. Looks like they like body kits.
Okay. Está para allá. No, pues esta manera. Carrillo, güey.
Integra. 4-door. Automatic. Prelude. Hey, güey, acá está un motor de Prelude. ¿Se lo quieres? Stock is an automatic or stick shift? Check this out. Oh, it's automatic. Ooh, these seats though. The interior. Fíjate, ¿tú quieres un spare tire? Oh, never mind, you already have it, huh? This one has like a lid. Oh, I see something over there. These headlights, I want them for my car. But they're probably gonna want like $80 for them. Honestly, they're salvageable, but I don't think I would pay them money for those. I'd rather buy them new. That's basically what they're worth new, like $80. The headlights, wait, what do you think? Should I take them for my car?
Nah.
I should just buy them new, huh?
This one's cracked.
Where? Así son, güey. Nah, güey.
Oh, it's cracked from over here too. Look. Ya está raspada, güey.
Mira, güey, ese motor lo agarraron de aquí del pick and pull aquí terminó el carro, güey. ¿No me bichos de Walker, güey?
Sí.
Vamos pues para donde seguíamos. We buy one of these? Why? Because they're slow or why?
They're slow and fun.
Wait, walk through here, huh?
Huh?
Wait, walk through here?
Yeah.
We're gonna go through the other one. There's a dog over there. I'm not gonna get any close to it. Ricers. Nothing to right here. Were you buying Integra though?
That's part of the.
Güey,
A Type R? Damn.
me pegó un
Baller.
pinche carro así al lado y Tilo se asusta, güey.
Güey, pues cómo tal, güey, si se asusta así, no mames. Nothing interesting so far. All cars here are probably stock.
No mames, le puse una luz de plástico, güey. Ah, no mames.
Ahorita voy a chequearlo. Literally nothing. ¿Qué, güey?
Lados, güey.
Tal vez por eso chocaron.
Le pusieron un puto topper de luces, güey.
Custom headlights. Hit me up. $1,000. Oh no way! Look at this. There's a fucking Lancer here. Imagine there was an Evo. I would cry. I would be like, I'll save this bitch right here. Cause that's my dream car, bro. The interior's just like an Evo though. Wanna be carbon fiber? Te puedo hacer lo que quieras, que tiene una wing de un Evo. The taillights too. Honestly, we're just walking around seeing if we can find anything good, but no luck so far. Everybody takes the good stuff, and there's a lot of people today in the yard, so I'm not expecting to find anything crazy, like honestly. Automatic as well. For you, baby. Hell no.
Open it.
Open it. How do you open it? You can open it.
Yeah.
Slow. This kid right here. No quema, cut. Nothing so far. No luck today. It's fine. Just small stuff, the body kits and all that. But nothing too crazy. Even though I see something I might take right here though. I need these for my car. And I'm not sure if this is the color for mine, but that's the closest they'll probably get. Can exhaust show. That's the Honda game. I thought it was a CRV, but no, that's a Subaru. Actually, let me check those out and see if I'm gonna take them or not. But probably I am, most likely.
You guys wait.
Custom hood? Any headlights? Interior's gone. Stock suspension. No bueno. No luck today. Look, this one had the fog lights. Somebody took them already. It's because I want black housing headlights, but I just can't find any. Oh damn! Damn, this is actually the Mustang I want. Is it a Mustang? Classic muscle car, stick shift. Is it a Mustang? Mustang. What? I don't know. Maybe. Honestly, I can't really tell the difference. But it looks like a Mustang to me. With Lexus right there. It's pretty prelude though. Nothing that interesting in my opinion. If you know, you know. But yeah. Nothing cool in the yard today.